Okay, so good afternoon once again. So it's Friday, the last day of the week, right? So I think some of you are new here, right? So yesterday I have with me Hani, Inda, Vinca, Tristan, Jose, Claudie, Josephine, right? Rosemary, Clara. I think Shitya, are you new? As well as Rosa. Are you new, Shitya? Can you at least try to introduce yourself? You can tell us about yourself. What is your name? How old are you? And what grade are you now? And also the school that you are going to. Everybody has already introduced themselves yesterday as well as the other day. Okay. I'm Rosa.
Hi. Hi,
Hi.
Min.
Can you, would you like to tell us something about yourself, ma'am? Would you like to tell us your name, your age, your school?
I am Rosa Himolitus. You can call me Rosa. I am
Okay.
from Maumere, but now I live in East Flores.
East Florida, same with Rosemary. Right,
Thank you,
Rosemary? You also live in East Flores, right? Thank you.
Rosemary.
Yes, thank you very much, Ma'am Rosa. Okay, how about Shitya?
Yes.
Yes, yes, ma'am. How about Shitya?
Yes,
Can you tell us your name, your age, as well as your school?
my name is Setia Punarga Sarasana. You can call me Shitya.
Okay, very good. What grade are you now, Shitya? How old are you, by the way? How old are you?
And is I
Okay.
am
You are
11.
what?
11 years old.
11 years old. So you must be in grade 5, right?
Yes.
5th grade. You are in 5th grade, right?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay, so I think everybody knows everyone, right? Do you know Delvin? Does Kelvin already introduce himself? I think he did last month, last Wednesday, right? In that Delvin introduced himself last Wednesday. How about Clara? Clara, are you done introducing yourself? Clara? It is Clara who's shy yesterday, right, Inda? She's... okay. So it is good that everybody has opened their camera. So at least I can see all of you, right? Okay, so we will have to review first our lesson yesterday. What did we do yesterday? What are the lessons that we had yesterday? Who can tell me? What is it in the
consonant digraphs?
Consonant digraphs. Very good in that. What are the 5 consonant digraphs? Yes, what are the 5 consonant digraphs? Anyone? Vinca, how about Vinca? Do you still remember the 5 consonant digraphs? No? How about Tristan? What are the 5 digraphs? What are the 5 digraphs? It is at least 2 or more letters combined to make a new sound. What are those? What is that? Can you remember? What else? The one that sounds F. The one that sounds F. What is that? So the 5 digraphs are CH. CH. Next. What else? PH. Okay, very good in the SH. What else? PH. And then TH as well as WH. So those are the 5 digraphs. TH, PH, CH, again. CH, SH, TH, WH, and PH. What country has a digraph PH?
Philippines.
Philippines. Very good in that. How about a country that starts with a digraph CH? A country that starts with a digraph CH. What is that? CH. CH. What country is that?
Picture.
Ma'am? Country. Picture. Okay, picture. Picture doesn't have a CH, but thank you very much. Okay, how about CH? It is a country that starts with the digraph China. Very good. It is China. How about the one that we use when we are going to call someone? What is that? What is that? What do you call that one? Gadget. The gadget that we use when we want to use someone, it starts with the digraph PH.
Phone.
Phone. Very good. It is a phone. How about the one that we use in our the one that we use when we want to run? The one that we place in our feet, which has a digraph SH. Which has a shoe or shoes. Very good. How about the one? Huh? How about the one? Shy? You are shell. Okay, so shell. Very good, Mark. How about if you want to what is that? I want to remember something. What should I do? It has a digraph TH.
Think.
What should think? Very good. So you are going to think. So digraph TH, a word that has the digraph THR, think, thank, right? Thank.
Charlene.
What else? Come again?
Charlene is also a CH.
Yes, Charlene is also a name that starts with the digraph CH. Very good. It is also a name. Yes, very good. I think Mark is very eager to learn about digraphs. He has been giving so many examples of the consonant digraphs. Very good, Mark. Okay, what else? So there are many words that starts with a digraph CH. So a digraph is not the same with the hard C or the soft C, such as the CH, right? Yesterday, Mark and Nicole gave me a word which starts with the digraph CH. Those are champagne and cheese. Cheese. So these are not called as hard C or soft C. So again, I must go back to hard C and soft C. What sound does hard C? What is the sound of hard C? What is the sound of hard C? K. What is the sound of soft C?
C.
C. Is it C? Is it C? Soft C. What is the sound of soft C?
S.
S. Very good. It has the sound of letter S. How about soft G? Soft G.
J. Oh,
good.
J.
Is it J. Very good, Jose and Mark. How about the hard G?
Geography.
Yes, ma'am. Well, how about the hard G? Hard G. Good. Very good. Give me an example of a word that starts with a hard G. Or a word that has a hard G. What is it?
Geography.
Geography. Okay, geography has a soft C and a hard, soft G and a hard G. Very good, Rosa. What else? Geography. What else?
Biology.
G. Come again? Come again?
Biology.
Where? Okay, can you write it down on the chat box? Can you write it down on the chat box? Okay. How about the name Clara? How about the name Clara? What is that? Soft C or hard C? Soft C or hard C? Hard C. How about the name Claudie? Claudie.
Hard
Hard C. Hard C. Biology is soft C. I mean soft G. Very good, Rosa. It is soft G. How about giraffe? Giraffe.
Soft G.
Soft G. Okay, okay. What is that noise?
Mute, please.
Yeah. Okay, it's already mute. Okay. So soft. How about this one? Guard. Guard. What is guard? Guard.
Hard G.
How about
Galaxy.
how about Germany? Germany.
Hard G. Hard G. Jupiter.
Jupiter, it starts with, does it start with letter G or J? It starts with the letter J, right? Okay, how about this one? Globe. Globe. Globe.
Hard G.
Hard G.
Hard.
How about clock? Clock.
Hard C.
Hard C. Very good. Cylinder. Cylinder. Soft C. Soft C. How about circus? Circus.
Soft C.
It can also be hard C. The C is the soft C and the cut is the hard C, right? Okay.
Champion.
Yes.
Circle.
So you know, circle. Very good. Circle. Champion. Is champion hard C or soft C?
Hard C.
Are you sure? Is it soft C? Champion. Champion. Is champion. Go
Hard.
Okay. Again.
Hard C.
Look at my chat. Champion. What is that? Are we still talking about hard C and soft C? Champion. What is champion? Is it still about hard C and soft C?
Hard C.
CH. It starts with CH. So what is that? What is that? We have just studied it earlier, discussed it earlier. What are the five, what is that? The five consonant blank. Very good. It is not a hard C or a soft, nor a soft C, but it is a consonant digraph CH, right? Remember? Yeah, those are different. So if you see CH, it is not considered a soft C or hard C, but rather it is consonant digram. Okay? Yes. Okay, let me share with you some the presentation, okay? Okay, can you see the slide?
Yes.
Can you see? Yes, okay. So this is all about consonant, right? So there are 21 letters or 21 consonant letters in the alphabet. Okay, next, look at this. Okay, so these are the examples of consonants. So we'll not talk about that one. I know you know that one. So these are the alternate sounds, the C and G, the soft C and the hard C, as well as the soft G and the hard G. Look at this. These are all examples of soft C. Send, city, cycle, pencil, fence, dance. Take note. These are all followed by E, I, or Y, right? These are all followed by E, I, or Y. And then the soft T, it represents the sound of the letter J, right? It represents the sound of the letter J. It is also followed by the letters E, I, or Y. What are the examples? Gem, giant, Jim, angel, huge, and hinge. Yes. Very good. So these are called soft C and soft G sounds. Yes. Okay. I do not know if you can hear this one. Let me try. Let me try if you can hear. Tell me if you can hear this one. Can you hear it? Can you hear?
No.
Okay, so I will not have to use that one because you cannot hear it. So we will continue with this one. Okay, so these are the hard C and the soft C. Okay? Hard C should be followed by A or U and the rest of the consonants. Soft C should be followed by I, E, Y. Right? Look at this. City, sand, and bicycle. So this one. Yes, motorcycle also. Very good. Look at this. These are all hard C. These are all soft C. While this one is a combination of soft C and hard C. Like for example, cycle. Cycle. Yes. Circle. Circle. Yes. Accept. Accept. Cyclone. Yes, cyclone. And then accident. Yes. Yes, circuit also. Circuit. Very good. Next, look at this. So these are some more examples. There are more examples. Look at this. So cylinder. Okay, what is cylinder? Soft C, hard C?
Soft
C. Caterpillar. Caterpillar. Hard C. Cookie.
Hard C.
Hard C. Cactus.
Hard C.
Cinnamon.
Soft C.
Soft C. Coconut.
Hard C.
Very good. Cellar.
Soft C.
Soft C.
Cat.
Hard C.
Chocolate.
Hard C.
Cereal.
Soft C.
Celery.
Soft C.
Coffee.
Hard C.
Hard C.
Very good.
Hard.
Okay. So this one. Okay. Cab. What is that? Cab.
Hard C.
Hard C.
Rice. Rice.
Soft C.
City.
Soft C.
City. Soft C. Spicy.
Soft C.
Soft C. Sand.
Soft.
Cow.
Hard.
Very good. Pencil.
Soft C.
Soft C. Cube.
Soft G.
Hard C. Car.
Hard C.
Hard C. Face.
Soft
Soft C. Cold. Hard C. Mice. Soft C. Cat. Hard C. Cookie.
Hard C.
Dance.
Soft C.
Cup.
Hard C. Hard C.
Very good. Okay, so this one is all about G. Okay, this one. G sound. Gut. What is gut? Hard G, soft G. Hard G. Okay, ginger.
Soft G.
Soft G. Energy.
Soft G.
Gold. Hard G. Yes, gut.
Hard G.
Jam.
What is that?
Hard G.
Jam. This one. Jam.
Soft
Soft
G.
Tragic.
Soft G.
Hard G. Goal.
Hard G.
Hard G. Chant.
Soft G.
G. Danger.
Soft G.
Gums. Very good. Gums.
Hard G.
Gentle.
Soft G.
Very good. Grain.
Hard G.
Hard G. Gym.
Soft G.
Soft G. Germany.
Soft G.
Jama.
Hard G.
Egypt.
Soft
G.
G.
Gravy. Yes.
Hard G.
Jill.
Soft G.
Gypsy.
Soft G.
Garden.
Hard G.
G. Magic.
Soft G.
Glue.
Hard G.
Glam.
Hard G.
Very good. Wow. So you understand now, okay? You do have got some questions regarding the hard G and the soft G as well as the hard C and the soft C. Do you have some questions? No? Okay. So we will continue. Okay, these are okay. This is all about consonant digraphs. So again, can you all read this one? Consonant digraphs.
Yeah.
What is
Two
this?
or more consonants are blended together to make one new sound.
Okay, very good. Two or more consonants blended together to make one new sound. What are the 5 consonant digraphs?
Two or more.
Yes. What are the 5 consonant digraphs?
5 consonants.
Yes. What is this?
C, A,
How about this one?
SH.
This one. Very
PH.
good. This one.
WH.
Very good. What about this one?
PH.
PH. So how many digraphs do we have? How many?
5.
5.
5.
Can you name the 5 digraphs? Can you
C
name the 5 digraphs? CH,
SH.
SH,
PH.
okay, WH,
PH.
what else? PH. Very good. So we already gave examples, right? Earlier we gave examples for the 5 consonant digraphs. So do you have some questions regarding consonant digraphs? Do you have questions?
Sheep.
Yes, okay, very good. So you know, for diagram SH, the examples are shoes, sheep.
Sheep.
Yes, what else?
CH, for example, chicken.
Yes.
PH,
Chicken,
example,
very
corn.
good.
KFC
Oh,
chicken.
yes,
Ah,
very good. What else?
PH, phone. Phone.
Oh, very good. That's right. Phone. What else?
WH, when. Apa sama itu? Ternyata diterangin.
When, yes, that's right. When, what else?
TH,
WH for whale.
this.
Very good. This, yes. What
WH
else?
for whale.
Whale, that's right. Whale. So there are so
TH,
CH.
tomb.
I'm
TH,
again.
CH for pie.
tomb.
Pie.
Ah, okay. Very good.
Pie,
So
Matt.
yeah, so you know the digraph, consonant digraphs now, right? You know the
Yes.
consonant digraph. Very good. Okay. How about the consonant blends? How about the consonant blends? Who can read what is the meaning of the consonant blends?
Consonant blends is when two or more consonants are blended together, but each sound may be here in the blend.
Very
The
good. Yes, very good. Okay, continue.
The most common beginning consonant blends include BL, BR, BR, CL, CR, DR, FR, TR, FL, GL, DR, PL, PR, SL, SM, SP, and ST.
Very good. Wow. The one using the account Saint Marcus are very good. Okay, very good. Keep it up. Okay, so the consonant blends once again are two or more consonants which are blended together with each sound here. What does it mean? So consonant blends, we can hear the two or more consonants. For example, the consonant blend BL, blast, blast. Okay, yes, blast. What can you hear?
Blood.
Can you hear the sound of the letter B as well as the sound of the letter L? Blast.
Blood.
Yes, very good in that. How about PR? Train. Train. What are the consonants? Two consonants that you can really hear very well when you say the T and
R.
R. Very good. T and R. How about this one? Star. What are the consonant blends that you can hear? Star. ST. Very good. So you can actually determine and you can actually hear that there are actually two consonants, right? So blast, it is actually the example, one of those L blends. Or TR is one of those R blends. And ST is also one of those S blends. Okay? Is one of those S blends. Okay, so this is what that Saint Marcus has read earlier, right? So if you look at it, there are so many consonant blends. Well, the consonant digraphs, we only have 5, right? For the consonant digraphs, we only have 5. But for the consonant blends, we may include BL, BR, yes, CL, CR, DR, FR, TR, FL, GR, PL, PR,
SL,
SM,
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 SP,
ST, ST. So if there are 2 consonant blends, there are also 3 consonant blends. What are those? STR,
SPL, and
Okay.
SPL, and
SPR.
Very good. Okay. Give me an example of a word that starts with the consonant blend BL. Give me an example of a
Blend.
word that starts with the consonant blend BL. Blend.
Blend.
That's right. Blend.
Blue.
What else?
Blue.
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 Come again.
Black.
Black. Very good. Black.
Blue.
What else?
Blanket.
Yes. What else? How about consonant blend BR? Consonant blend BR.
Bread.
Huh?
Bread.
Bread. Yes, bread. What else?
Brick.
Brain. Yes, brain.
Broken. Broom.
Broken. Broom. So many words, right? How about consonant blend CL? CL.
Clear.
Clear. Very good, Inda.
Climb.
Cloud. Okay. Clam. What else? Clever. Clam. Wow, so many words, right? Okay, how about consonant blend CR? Consonant blend crayon. Crayon. Cry. Crib. Crispy.
Crab.
Crab. Crow.
Crazy.
Wow.
Hey.
Come again? Crazy. Crazy. Yes, it's crazy. DR. Consonant blend DR. Consonant blend drown. What else?
Drink.
Drain. What else? Dream.
Drone.
Wow. Drone. Very
Drop.
good. So many
Drop.
words. Drop. Yes, very good. Next. Consonant blend FR. Consonant blend FR. Okay, from. Okay, what else?
Freezer.
Freezer. Very good. What else?
Freedom.
Freedom. Wow,
Frozen.
freedom. Frozen. Very good. What else?
Friend.
Friend. Can you still think of something that's
Fly.
not the letter? Fly?
Fly. I'm a bird flying at the sky.
It is apple. But anyway, it's good.
Sky.
Try?
Yes, sky.
So you are talking about TR. Very good, Mark. Okay, TR. What about
Train.
TR? Train.
Practice.
Coffee. What
Train.
else? Huh?
Try.
Try. Yes, try.
Crown.
Drum. Okay. L. Consonant blend FL.
Fly.
FL. Consonant.
Flick.
Yeah. Flick.
Flight.
What? Flight. Very good. Flight.
Flow.
Yes.
Flow.
Flow.
Flew.
What else?
That was just a past tense verb change. Flower.
Yes. Flower. Very good in that. What else?
Floor.
Flower. Very good. Flick. Yes. Flicker. Flick. Fly. Okay. Consonant blend GL. GL.
Glad.
Blue.
Glue. GL. Glow. Yes, very good.
Glass.
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 What else? Glass,
Glass.
right? Very good, glass.
Glaze.
What else?
Glasses. Glasses.
Glasses.
Globe.
Yes. Globe, right? Globe.
Green. Oh, no.
Gleam. Okay, green. I green.
Green is
G-R.
GR.
I
GR.
forgot about that.
Grow.
Great. Great. Great.
Grow.
Green.
Great.
Green.
Grape. Grape.
Grapes.
Grape. Grass.
Grass.
Grandparents. Grandparents.
Grandparents.
Green.
Very good.
Green. Grinder
Green,
stone.
yes. Yes. Okay,
Rice.
consonant blend PL. Consonant blend PL.
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 Plane.
Play.
Play.
Yes, very good.
Play.
Plane. What else?
Please. Plenty.
Apply.
Play.
Plus.
Apply.
Okay, what else?
Plate.
Plate. Very good. Consonant blend PR.
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 Grow.
Practice.
Practice.
Grow.
Very good. What else?
Privat.
Pray. Pray. Yes, pray.
Praise.
Priest. Right? Priest. Praise. I mean praise. Okay, how about consonant blend SL?
Slow.
Slow.
Slam.
Slap. Slam.
Sleep.
Sleep. Very good. Sleep. Yes. Sleep.
Slow.
Slay.
Slow.
Slow.
Slide.
Slope. Slide.
Slide.
Okay.
Slide.
Yes. Consonant blend M.
Smart.
Smart.
Smart art.
Smelly.
Smile.
Smart.
Smart. Very good. Smart. Consonant blend S.
Spain.
Spain. Very good. Spit.
Asparagus.
Asparagus. Spin. Very good. Spin.
Spoon.
Spoon. That's right. Consonant blend ST.
Spoiler.
Star.
Stop.
Stairs.
Plural. Sorry. Sport. Special.
Story.
String.
Special.
Train.
Spoiler.
Yes, very good.
Fast.
Okay. Aha. If there are consonant blends that starts with the two consonants, we can also have a consonant blends that occur at the end of words, as in the word last, right? The word last. The word last has a consonant blend ST, but we can see the consonant blend placed at the last part of the word. Very good. Okay, so there are also blends which contain three consonants. What are those? STR.
SPL. SPR.
Very good. Yes. What is the example of STR? Strain.
Stranger.
What else? Stranger. Very good. Stranger. Strike. Wow. Strike. Stranger. Strong. Yes. How about consonant blend SPL? SPL.
Splash. Flying.
Splat. Wow, splash. So many words. Very good. I think the St. Marcos kids are studying in advance, right? You are studying in advance. What is your name? What are your names?
Lenny and Ririn.
Ririn. Lenny and Ririn. Yes, they must be studying in advance, right? Because they can actually easily think of words. Okay, very good. So you know what are the consonant blends now? So it is not only about 2 consonants that but we are also talking about 3 consonant blends. We can hear the sound of each consonant letters. Okay, next. Next. Example. Okay, how about this one? So these are the examples. So PR is, what is this?
Brown.
PL is?
Block.
CR is?
Crab.
Crab.
Mr. Crab.
Yes. CL is?
Cloud.
DR is?
Drum.
DR is?
Crane.
Crane. FR is?
Fruit.
Fruit. FR is?
Fly.
That's what I say.
Snake.
Snake.
SP
Sponge.
Sponge.
Stone.
Stone. SW is? Swan. DW is?
Twig.
What is twig?
Twig is
Sperry.
a small branch. A
Twig.
small branch of
Squarey.
a
Squarey.
scary. Okay. SPL.
Spleen.
SPR.
Sprout.
Sprout. So it is a seed that slowly sprouts. It actually is starting to grow. This one.
What about spleen?
Yeah. Spleen.
Squirrel.
Actually,
Squirrel.
yes, spleen. Spleen is can be a part of our internal organ, or it must have something that causes your skin to get to at least have a blood. I mean, to have a cut. I think something like that. Okay, squirrel, and then STR is
Street.
Okay, GR.
Grass.
GL.
Glove.
Yes. PR.
Pretzel.
PL.
Skull. Scale.
Yes. SK. Scale.
Slipper.
Slipper. SM. Smock. Yes, smock. Okay, wait a minute.
Do you dare to touch
Yes.
grass?
Grass, yes. Wait a minute.
Terus apa wawa soal itu guys. PR.
Okay. PRPL. Okay, it is a worksheet. Okay, it is actually an exercise. Choose among PR or PL blends. What is this? What should I place? Is it PR or PL? PR. So, PR, it has become pretzel. Right? Pretzel. How about this one?
PL.
PL. It has become blood. Right? How about this one? PR. It is breast. Yes. How about this one? PL. Plain. How about this one?
PL.
Bloom. PL. How about this one?
PR.
Princess. How about this one? Yes.
SC.
SC or SK? SK. Skirt. How about this one?
SC.
Scale. How about this one?
SK.
Is it SK? SK. Scarf. How about this one? SC or SK? SK. School. How about this one?
SK.
Skeleton. And then how about this one?
SK.
Escape, right?
Yeah.
Wow. Next. How about this one? Are we done with this?
BL.
Block. How about this one? BR. Brain. How about this one? BR. Brown. This one? BL. Blanket. How about this one? Blue. BR. Rush. This one. CR. CL. CR. Crayon. This one. CL. This one. CL. Cloud. CR. This one. Brown.
CR.
And this one is L. Clean. Wow. Do you have some questions? No more questions?
No.
Okay, so how many diagrams once again do we have?
5.
5. What are those diagrams?
S-A-T-H.
Okay, very good. So if I am going to ask you about blends, there are so many blends, right? But you can say there are L blends, R blends, and S blends, right? There are L blends, R blends, and S blends. Okay, so these are consonant consonant blends. Okay, look at this. Yes. Okay, in consonant digraph, in consonant digraph, if we have two alternate sounds for the consonant C and G, we also have alternate sounds for digraph, consonant digraph TH, and consonant digraph WH. Okay, for the consonant digraph TH, you can have thumb. And you can also say this, right? Thumb and this. While for the consonant digraph WH, you can say when. Or you can also say who. Who, right? We do not say who, but we say who. Okay, so you must always be remember that in the 5 consonant digraphs, we can have 7 sounds because there are in consonant digraph PH as well as in consonant digraph WH, we can have 2 alternate sounds. Okay, so the CH pattern is pronounced differently, either as C sound as in chorus or as SH sound as in chef. Okay, so it's not about WH and TH, but also we have consonant digraph CH. Okay? Do you have some question?
No.
Do you have some question? No more?
No, miss.
Yes, thank you very much, everyone. Okay,
No,
before
miss.
anything,
No, miss.
yes, I will have to, wait a minute. I will have to screenshot first our attendance. Okay? I was not able to screenshot our... Yeah. I was not able
Hello, ma'am.
Hi, hello, sir. I was shocked. Hi, sir.
Hello, everybody.
Good afternoon, Mr.
Say good afternoon to sir. Sir, good evening to Sir Harry.
Good evening, Sir Harry.
Good evening, Sir Harry.
Good evening, sir.
Hello. I'm so proud of Mom Samira.
Good evening, sir.
Thank you, sir.
She can make the
Thank you,
recording. Yeah, now, everybody. So Harry just drove over here. Just drove about an hour, just arrived, okay? So
Okay, sir.
I'm still putting my cam, okay? So
Yes, sir.
let me tell you, Mom, tell them that
Yes.
they have now 5 days of English every day.
Okay. So we will have 5-day class now. It will start at 5 p.m. Indonesian time, sir, right?
Right, right. Except yours. I think if you think that you want to change it to 6, okay.
Okay. Okay.
To change it to 5, Mom, it is up to you.
Okay, sir. I will have to tell you, sir.
Yeah. So if we make everything like 5 o'clock, okay, 5.
Yes,
so
sir.
remember that your Wednesday is 6, right?
Yes, sir.
Your Wednesday class. Your Wednesday class is 6. Do you want to
Yes,
change
sir.
that to 5? So everything is in 5 o'clock? What do you think? It's up to you, Mom.
Okay, sir. I can do that, sir.
Yeah. Make sure.
It will be, yes, sir.
Oh, you can keep it 6 o'clock if you want to.
Okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
No problem.
Or if you make it 5 o'clock, it will be easier. You see, the
Yes,
kid
sir.
only remember the same, every day the same 5. You see? If you make a
Yes, sir.
change on the middle, you say,
Yes, sir. That's
okay.
right,
That's
sir.
my biggest secret.
Yes. I pass it back to you because in the second, I think at 6 o'clock, we have mathematics class. So
Okay,
Nancy
sir.
will come. But don't
Okay, sir.
worry. Okay, at that time, before you leave, Mom,
Yes,
okay,
sir.
stop the recording, and then she can start, the other class.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir. I will have to do
Yeah, I
that,
pass
sir.
it to you, Mom. I pass it to you,
Okay,
Mom.
sir. Thank you very much, sir. I'm sorry I was
Yes.
not aware that you already entered the class, sir. Okay. Yes, sir.
You did great.
Thank you very much, sir. Okay, so remember about the consonant digraphs as well as the consonant blends. Again, how many consonant digraphs do we have?
5.
5. What are those?
CH, SH, WH,
Very good. So you have some questions about consonant digraphs?
No.
How about consonant blends? How about consonant blends? So there are L blends. Yes, L blends for BL, CL, right? BL, FL. So those are L blends. For the R blends, BR, SR, right? CR, yes, GR. So those are R blends. Very good. And the rest is the S blends. SP, ST, SL, right? Remember? SC. Those are S blends. Okay? Do you have some questions? No more? No, or you still have questions? No more? Okay, I will have to go back once more so that I will know if you still remember our previous lesson. How many vowels do we have? How many vowels? 5. What are the 5 vowels? A, E. Very good. How many sounds does a vowel have? Or what are the sounds of vowels? What are the 2 sounds of vowels?
Long vowel sound and short vowel sound.
Very good. Long and short vowel sound. How do we say the short vowel sound? How do we say the short vowel sound? Recite the 5 vowels. O. Very good. How about the long vowel sounds?
A-I-E-O.
Very good. So if you remember, yes, if you remember, long vowel sound takes the sound of the letters in the alphabet. Okay. How many consonants do we have?
21.
21. Yes. What are the two letters from the consonants that has two alternate sounds? What are the two letters from the consonants that has two alternate sounds?
Hard C and soft G.
Okay, the letter C and the letter G. What are the two alternate sounds for letter C and letter G? Hard C and hard G. Soft C and soft G. Yes. What are the letters that should follow the letter C to make it soft C?
S.
Yes. So it has the sound of the letter S. But what should follow the letter C to become soft C?
S.
E, I, or Y? Remember? Cent, city, and cycle. Those are the examples. Remember? Yes. Yes. Face, dance. Very good. Those are the soft C. Hard C. What is the sound of the hard C?
Hard C. Can.
Very good. K. Example of hard C. Example of hard C. Look at the name. You can see, you can look at the name of Clara. Clara, it is a hard C. Cloudy, it is also hard C. It has the sound of the letter K. Oh my goodness. It's already 6 p.m. Yes, sir.
So, Mom, they are very keen, huh? They are very motivated, very active.
Yes,
so, yeah, I would like to address St. Marcos student. This is teacher Petrola, teacher Ella. Okay.
Yes,
Hello from St. Marcos.
They are Lenny and Ririn, sir. Lenny and Ririn.
Yeah, look at that. In St. Marcos, they already dark, okay? They already dark. No, even with that, I look at the screen, they have the motivation to learn. So, welcome. Okay, we are here, TIS, Tutor International School, including Mom Samira is the first teacher with TIS. Okay, we will be here to help you. Okay, now I think the next class is already here. Okay, mathematics.
Okay, sir. Yes,
okay,
sir.
so first thing first, we need to stop recording, Mom.
Yes, sir. I'm going to stop, sir.
Mom. Yeah.
Yes.